Hey, hey, it is Clary Berry, and I'm here today with the Bitcoin horoscope for the 27th through the 2nd of January, 2022. Hope you guys are having a good holiday season or whatever, a good month, a good week. And we're going to look at Bitcoin a little bit for last week. Let's see, 20th didn't have much to go for, and not surprised to see we had a V there. Again, it's just kind of sandwiched in between two other aspects, so not surprising at all there. The 21st on Tuesday, we said it was going to go up. Green day, popular day. Definitely did a good day that day. On the 22nd, we actually had up and down, just going sideways, basically. So there were some issues that were possible, again, with our sun conjunct Pluto. And it was kind of like watch out, get ready energy. And that was definitely getting ready for the 23rd. We had Mercury conjunct sun, and we talked about a buzz, communication, news, and it was good for us there. Kind of went down a little bit, but then went up. And the 24th, we had kind of a bigger aspect, North Node square Venus. This can be kind of up and then down, which essentially it really just went over. I called it up and then down, emphasis on the down, but again, really just went sideways. So kind of halfway called that one there. 25th didn't have much. Again, just kind of boring sideways day. And the 26th, we had a sun conjunct Mars, which I called up, and there was a little bit of down, a little up, little peak, and then sideways, and then up again. So I'll claim that one too. And then on Monday today, of course, we had Mercury sextile Uranus. So there's that excitement, that interestingness to Bitcoin, and it's going to be a pretty good day like we called today on the 27th. So 28th, what are we looking at? Okay, Mercury going to be trining Saturn, the peak of this. So I don't think it's going to be a good day. Okay. It's going to be a little bit of old, stuck lame, energy. Like there's maybe some planning, maybe some moves are about to happen. But I don't think it's going to be the greatest day. On the second, on the second day of the week of Tuesday there on the 28th is what I was referring to. So the 29th, again, don't have much. I think it's going to go sideways like you can almost expect it to do. Might possibly be down in the red. But if so, I think it'll just be a little bit. Very, very, again, just stable and kind of lame and boring that day. So on Thursday, the 30th. Okay, this is where our energy starts to get really exciting. Okay, and again, we might have been feeling like this stuck energy. Oh, we're not going anywhere. What's going on? With Bitcoin, we're supposed to be so great by the end of the year. Well, this is where some of the excitement comes in. This is a bigger aspect, and this is Jupiter conjunct Venus. So this is ending January 23rd. And so again, we're kind of, I feel like, getting out of some of this stuck energy. This is good, but it's still in the process of bettering itself. It's not the best you've ever seen, but I think the 30th has some good energy. It could be up and then back down. I think that's kind of what it's trying to say. Honestly, it's a little bit good, but then it gets too ahead of itself. Okay, and that begins kind of a theme also for this reading, I guess you could say. Now, we're going to look at the 31st and the 1st, but we don't have a lot of action on either of those days, so we're going to take the cards. Okay, cards are saying great. Cards are saying the last 2 days going to be real good. Again, getting to some really nice, areas, not if you're trying to buy, obviously. And by the way, just let me say, this is not financial advice. This is, yes, we're looking for opportunities to buy in, to dollar cost average in at a good low point. But, again, it's astrology, it's fun, it's tarot, it's intuition. It is not financial advice. So this, probably you're going to want to get in. If you're going to want to get in, do it before this. Do it on Tuesday, maybe. Do it on Wednesday, maybe. But not on probably Friday and Saturday here. Going to be looking pretty good. Okay, might be almost, thinking like, oh, this is the peak. This is the peak. And so with that being said, let's look at this because it's always interesting to have really positive aspects on Sunday. Okay, so let's take two just for clarifier. So basically, I think all the goodness from the aspect that I had potentially peaking on Sunday, which was Sun conjunct Jupiter, really good aspect. Let me tell you, a lot of love, really good aspect, but baby, we're just getting started. And so I think that honestly, some of this energy from this Mercury conjunct Jupiter is going to be coming through on the 31st and the 1st to get us these beautiful cards here. And that just makes sense also with the day of the week. And again, not that we can't have a good day on Sunday, but I think that Sunday is going to be back down a little bit, take a breather. And, you know, again, still loved, not down very much at all, but this is the breather that comes through. And then when you turn around and look at, okay, so yeah, the second, so there's another aspect besides the Mercury conjunct Jupiter, which is so great, peaking on the 2nd, and that is the Jupiter trine natal, not Jupiter, North Node trine natal Jupiter. So again, with these bigger aspects, this one's not ending till April 6th. These are less attributable to the actual day, okay? Yeah, I think that I don't think again that Sunday the 2nd is going to be that bad, but I think some of this energy is going to come before and after, and we're going to have good days again, 31st, 1st, 3rd, maybe even into the 4th, 3rd and 4th. But again, we'll come back and look at the next week a little bit closer next week. We'll talk about next week. So yeah, hopefully this is exciting for you. I guess we should talk about the 3rd. We also have, the 3rd is basically Bitcoin's birthday here. The 3rd is Sun conjunct the Sun, which is, yeah, it's going to be an awesome day. Awesome day. And again, some of these aspects that we called for the 3rd here, or called for the 2nd, are actually going to peak. And so again, great days, 31st, 1st, 3rd. 2nd for a Sunday, not going to be too shabby. But yeah, so get ready. Hold on to your seats, guys. The action we've been waiting for, finally coming. Mark my words. Come back and talk to me again next week and see what happens, because it's not going to be too shabby. Okay, so get in while the getting's good before this all goes crazy and pops off. Okay, and again, the 3rd being the birthday and the, you know, it's a new beginning. It's the new Bitcoin. It's the first day of the new Bitcoin for this year. 2022's Bitcoin is premiering on the 3rd. So get ready. Hopefully it's a great day. Much love, many blessings. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.